let's make every journey safe and enjoyable, where safety is top priority. As more and more railway tracks are electrified, it is important to follow precautions for our own safety. Remember, railway overhead electrical installations, known as OHE, carry an astonishingly high voltage of up to 25,000 volts. Getting too close to them can lead to serious harm. It's a risk we should never take. Climbing on top of coaches, wagons or locomotives is strictly off limits. Whether it's for selfies or travel, never risk your life. Please refrain from climbing on platform shelters, vandalism like stone pelting or throwing objects or flying kites near the vicinity of OHE. These activities can pose a serious risk to human life. Damaging overhead equipment is illegal and dangerous, and can disrupt the smooth flow of train operations. Pay attention to height gauges at level crossing. They are there to protect OHE installations. Objects protruding beyond the safe height can come in contact with the live wires, posing a serious threat. Always exercise caution when carrying long objects, especially metallic poles near OHE. Maintain a safe distance of at least 2 meters to prevent electric discharges. If you are operating machinery near electrified tracks such as JCBs, dumpers and cranes, maintain a safe distance from overhead equipment and tracks, and it is to be done only with prior permission from the railway authorities. Workers performing tasks like painting bridges, welding or repairing platform shelters near OHE should acquire a permit from the Traction Distribution Department of Railways. They will ensure proper safety measures including earthing. By adhering to these guidelines, you can effectively safeguard your well-being and mitigate the risks of encountering accidents and hazards. Safety is a collective responsibility. Together, let's make every journey safe and enjoyable. You are where safety is the top priority.